So as you see this play out, I don't want to say it's just going to be a rerun of the trade war with China, looking at 2019, 2020. But what early expectations should we have for what these trade rubs, what they should look like?
Well, first, I'm going to talk about why we've seen such a softening in commodity prices. So we did see USDA release their 2025, 2026, tables for corn, soybeans, cotton across the board last week at the USDA Ag Outlook Forum. And as kind of expected, they show corn acreage up, and it was actually a little higher than where the market had anticipated. And so that changed that sentiment. We talk about market sentiment a lot. That was one of those things to where all of a sudden people stopped thinking about demand for the old crop, and all of a sudden we started talking about how big or how large the size of the new crop could be. And so that was really what kicked off this spark of deterioration within the futures market, was kind of the Outlook Forum numbers. To your question about the trade standpoint, there's a lot of headlines. We've seen a lot of news come out about tariffs and trade. There's a lot we don't know. And I always say that, I'm not trying to cop out of the question. There's just so much we don't know about what products and when and how. The one thing I will say is I think it is already starting to affect ethanol just a little bit.